Hello whizzes. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is anatomy, understanding how living things work. Anatomy is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of the structure and organization of living organisms. It involves the examination of the physical components and parts that make up an organism, including humans. Here's a basic explanation of anatomy. Scope of anatomy. Gross anatomy. This involves the study of structures that can be seen with the naked eye. It includes the examination of organs, tissues, and various body systems. Microscopic anatomy. Also known as histology, this field deals with the study of tissues and cells at a microscopic level using specialized techniques and instruments. Developmental anatomy. This branch explores how an organism's structure changes and develops over its lifespan. Levels of organization. Chemical level. Anatomy starts at the chemical level, looking at the basic building blocks of life, such as atoms and molecules. Cellular level. It then progresses to the cellular level, where cells are the smallest functional units of living organisms. Tissue level. Cells with similar functions and structures group together to form tissues. There are 4 primary tissue types in the human body: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Organ level. Organs are formed by the combination of different tissues working together to perform specific functions. For example, the heart is an organ composed of cardiac muscle tissue, connective tissue, and blood vessels. System level. Organs work together within systems. The human body is organized into various systems, such as the circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, and skeletal systems, each with its own set of organs and functions. Organism level. All the systems working together create a functioning organism. Approaches to studying anatomy. Dissection. Traditional anatomical studies involve dissecting cadavers, human or animal bodies, to examine the structure and relationships of organs and tissues. Imaging techniques. Modern technology has introduced non-invasive methods like X-rays, CT scans, MRI scans, and ultrasound, which allow for detailed visualization of internal structures in living organisms. Histological techniques. In microscopic anatomy, tissues and cells are studied using staining, microscopy, and other laboratory techniques. Comparative anatomy. This approach involves comparing anatomical features across different species to understand evolutionary relationships and adaptations. Clinical importance. Anatomy is crucial in the field of medicine and healthcare. A deep understanding of human anatomy is essential for medical professionals, as it helps in diagnosing diseases, planning surgeries, and providing effective treatments. In summary, anatomy is a multidisciplinary field that investigates the structure and organization of living organisms, providing insights into how they function and interact with their environments. It plays a fundamental role in various scientific disciplines, healthcare, and the understanding of life itself. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.